Welcome. Today we're at Bethany House, just on the outskirts of the village of Hemyock. Stunning views behind. This beautiful 1930 style home has 4 double bedrooms, and I mean they're double bedrooms. There's an option for a 5th bedroom as well, but there's some special treats with this one. Come inside and I'll show you. So we talk about a room with a view. Well, this is a room and it really does have the view. This whole house orientates onto the Blackdown Hills and it's just superb. But what you won't realise is we're on the 1st floor here. So a very clever addition to the house. We're over the kitchen. This beautiful 1st floor sitting room just is a perfect place to watch the countryside change throughout the seasons. It's an absolute stunner. I could say it's not just about the view, but I think it's fair to say it is so much about the view here. But hopefully you've got an idea of this super house, how versatile it is, the accommodation. The other thing I really must mention is that the Ufcombe school bus goes literally past your front door and you are moments away from the centre of Hemyock and all the bits that it has to offer. Oh, and the view.